Welcome. In this tutorial, we will create a C# program that takes a single number and displays it four times in two different ways. First, separated by spaces, and then written together without spaces. We'll also show both methods using console_write directly and using placeholders in console_write_line. Let's get started. The problem asks us to print the same digit multiple times in different styles. If the user types 2, we need to print 4 2s with spaces and also 4 2s with no spaces. To do this, we'll use two approaches. First, by writing each digit with console_write, and second, by using formatted placeholders. This program starts by asking the user for a digit, which we store as a num. Then we demonstrate the two printing techniques. First, using console_write, we manually add spaces or keep the digit together. Second, using formatting, we pass num into placeholders to avoid repeating code. Both methods produce the same results, but in slightly different ways. The flow is straightforward. Input a number, then print it four times using two different strategies. Using console_write gives you control over spacing manually, while placeholders simplify repeating patterns and keep your code cleaner. Let's check some sample inputs. Entering 2 prints 4 2s with spaces and 4 2s with no spaces. Entering 5 gives you the same result, and 9 the same thing happens. Both methods achieve the same result, and using placeholders helps reduce typing when you need formatted repetition. This might feel simple, but it's powerful practice. Formatting is a huge part of building user-friendly console applications, from printing banners to debugging output. Knowing both manual and placeholder-based methods is important. This lays the groundwork for loops and more advanced string formatting. To summarize, we've practiced printing user input multiple times in different styles. We've also used console_write for manual control and formatting for cleaner code. These basics are essential stepping stones for learning loops, string formatting, and structured output. Great job following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.